When we look at the landscape of enterprise software today, one name always seems to cast a pretty big shadow over the rest. We've all heard of Salesforce, but in recent times, it's not just that old database tool people used to complain about. It has morphed into something much more ambitious. We're talking about a complete digital customer relationship management system for your business. Today, we're going to sit down and really look at whether it's still the most reliable choice for the big enterprises. Moving right into the thick of it, the first thing you're going to notice when you log in is the Lightning experience, which has seen some pretty sleek refinements recently. We found that the interface is designed to be a home base, where everything is exactly where a power user would expect it to be. At the very top, you've got your global navigation bar. This is your command center. It's where you jump between your leads, accounts, and those high-value opportunities. What's really cool is how customizable this is. Each department in a large company can actually have its own unique navigation set, so they aren't tripping over tools they don't need.
Down the right side, you'll usually find the utility bar for quick actions,
like taking notes or checking your recent items without leaving your current page. But the real meat of the UI is in the center console view. This is a multi-tabbed workspace that lets you keep several records open at once, which is a lifesaver when you're bouncing between a high-priority support ticket and a closing deal. It's a lot cleaner than the cluttered screens of the past, and it really helps keep the focus on what needs to be done right now. Building on that interface, the way we handle people, our contacts, is where the Customer 360 vision really starts to make sense. In a large enterprise, you aren't just storing a name and a phone number. You're tracking a complex web of relationships. Salesforce handles this by nesting contacts under accounts, but it goes way deeper than a simple list. We've observed that the relationship intelligence features now automatically pull in data from LinkedIn, news reports, and even internal Slack conversations to give you a full picture of who you're talking to before you even pick up the phone. There's a beautiful timeline view right in the middle of a contact record. It shows every single touch point across your whole organization, every email sent by marketing, every support ticket filed, and every demo attended. This prevents that embarrassing situation where a sales rep calls a client who's currently dealing with a major technical outage. With the data cloud integration now being standard, this information updates in real time. We're not just looking at a static business card, we're looking at a living history of that human being's interaction with our entire brand. It's organized, it's deep, and for a large team, it's the only way to stay personal at scale.
Following the trail from a contact to a contract, the lead and deal management system is arguably the most robust part of the whole platform. You can see your entire pipeline as cards on a board, and moving a deal from discovery to proposal is as simple as a drag and drop. But beneath that simple visual is a massive engine of validation rules. For a large enterprise, this means you can ensure no rep moves a deal forward without attached contracts or approved discount codes. The Path feature at the top of every deal acts like a GPS for your sales team. It tells them exactly what steps they need to take at each stage to move the needle. This is bolstered by predictive deal scoring. It takes the guesswork out of forecasting. Instead of reps just feeling like a deal is going well, we have hard data showing the health of the pipeline. It's this level of rigor that helps big companies hit their quarterly targets with actual precision. To keep all those deals moving, we have to talk about the brains behind the operation, Einstein and the new Agentforce layer. Connecting our manual work with smart technology is where Salesforce has really leaned in this year. We aren't just talking about basic if this, then that rules anymore. We're seeing autonomous agents that can actually handle the grunt work. For example, when a new lead comes in from your website, an AI agent can research the company, draft a personalized intro email, and even suggest a meeting time based on your calendar, all before a human even touches it. Then there's the Flow Builder, which is the heart of automation for admins. It's a visual tool where you can map out incredibly complex business processes without writing a single line of code. If a deal over $1 million is marked as closed won, the system can automatically notify the legal team, generate an invoice in your accounting software, and create a welcome project in your fulfillment tool.
Einstein Copilot has become a conversational partner. You can literally type, "Show me all deals at risk in the Northeast region," and it'll generate a report and a summary for you in seconds. It's like giving every employee a personal assistant who knows everything about the business. Of course, no CRM is an island, and Salesforce knows that its value lies in how well it plays with others. Moving into the ecosystem, the integration capabilities are pretty much unparalleled. Through the App Exchange, which is basically the App Store for business, you have access to thousands of pre-built connectors. Whether you're using Slack for communication, DocuSign for contracts, or AWS for data storage, the MuleSoft integration layer makes sure that data flows back and forth without getting stuck in silos. For a large enterprise, this is vital. We've seen companies link their ERP systems, like SAP or Oracle, directly into Salesforce. This means a sales rep can see real-time inventory levels or a customer's credit limit without ever leaving the CRM. The latest updates have made these zero-data copy integrations even smoother, meaning you can view data from external databases without actually having to move or duplicate it. It keeps the single source of truth alive across the entire company. Whether it's syncing your Gmail calendar or pulling in complex financial analytics from Tableau, it all feels like one cohesive experience. Wrapping this all up, it's clear that Salesforce is still the most capable CRM for a reason. It's built for the complexity and the scale that only a large enterprise really faces. While the cost is definitely on the higher side and the learning curve can be steep, the sheer depth of automation and AI insights you get is hard to beat. If you're ready to unify your global teams, we think it's a justified investment. If you want to see how it fits your specific workflow, head over to their site and grab a demo today. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more CRM insights like this.